All right, peoples, what's happening? How's everybody doing? For those that don't know me, my name is Robin. With Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant, you can find me online. I'm a real estate expert under JPC Equity Properties, buy and sell real estate for a living. And then I'm also a coach to help people to be able to repair their credit, and in return, they'll be able to buy and sell real estate like how I do. So I wanted to go ahead and extend this offer prior to us doing this online course where we're going to launch, and we're going to show people how to fix them credit themselves and save thousands of dollars versus having to use a credit repair company like myself or the other credit repair companies out there. And so again, this is a pre-launch where we're offering one-on-one coaching, and we're going to extend this to a total of 10 people. And then we'll give you 30 days of coaching once a week, hour minimum, where you have that Q&A, you get that one-on-one attention, and then you'll also have, of course, 24-hour email support, and we'll also get on different calls together. Okay, so what's going to come with this online coaching, or should I say this one-on-one coaching? So I'm going to teach you exactly how to repair credit repair. Okay? Now, in this credit repair coaching session, I don't know if I'm spelling correctly. All right. In this coaching session, you're going to learn how to take a credit score from 300 to 850. Okay? That is what I'm going to make sure that you know how to do in a very short period of time. Within my company, we have an individual premier program, a couples premier, individual premium, a couples premium, and it's done in as little as 7 business days. Okay, I've done it for myself, my family, and hundreds of other people's, and I'll teach you the same. But let's say you're going to learn how to do so, not just in 7 business days, but let's just say, well, let's be more realistic, and that's what you might ask or you might say. So I would say, you know what, within credit score from 300, within 90 days or less. And again, if I've done it within 7 business days, so can you if you follow the systems and the tools. You're also going to learn what software to use. Okay, this software actually does it for you. It helps you perform your audits. It helps you to be able to distribute it directly to the credit bureaus. Okay, you're also going to understand how to audit a credit report. And that's with all 3 bureaus. You're going to learn how to audit a credit report for all 3 bureaus. And within this one-on-one session, we'll take each and every one's individual credit reports, and we'll do an audit and show you how I do audits, and how we do it for our clients, and how we use that same credit report and we integrate it into our software, and then we turn around and do the actual credit repair. You're going to also receive credit education. And within this credit education, you're going to learn the rules to how to, once you have a good credit score, how to keep that credit score there. Also, how they base your credit score to whether it's 300 or 500 or 800. How does that formulate it? So you get all that insider secrets, okay? Also, with this coaching session, you're going to understand how to add trade lines. and that's to help you build your credit. And also in order to help others build their credit, you're going to learn the same thing there. Again, these are some insider secrets that people don't necessarily break down one-on-one on how to do it, and that's what I want to extend to yourself. Again, I'm going to show you how I've taken hundreds of people's credit. Let's say, for example, one of our clients, she had a $1.2 million dollar mortgage. Deleted from her credit. And how did we do that? All right, I'll show you exactly what affidavits used. What affidavits was used just to do that, okay? Again, this is going to be a real detailed coaching session that you'll receive for 30 days. All right, this is for 30 days. And you'll have my email contact, of course, where you'll continue to get that email support. Okay, and again, the once, let's do it like this, once a week coaching session. Not sure if I'm spelling correctly today, but here we go. Coaching session once a week, and for an hour minimum. Okay, so there you have it. In order to get this, I'm only going to be extending this for limited time. Again, I have 10 slots that's going to be made available, where I'll dedicate and you basically be able to pick my brain, and I'll give you all the insider secrets on how to repair credit, what systems, what laws to use, and how you can be effective, and you can also turn around and turn it into a business, and you can go out and help others as well. Okay, so again, thanks for tuning in. In order for you guys to get this, feel free to hit the link below. Go ahead once you make your payment, and then what we'll do is we'll get you an onboarding card, and then this is prior to us pre-launching this credit repair course. And again, the difference will be is you're going to have that one-on-one personal attention, okay? Thanks so much, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Take it easy.